So we got an update for you. Our forms are here in our cob to let us have a 24-inch Comal cooker on each of the tops of these, a ceramic tortilla maker, griddle sort of a thing. And our burners are these rocket stoves down here, and they're doing a very nice job. We're up around 600 degrees in the middle there, and we're testing it, of course, with some melty cheese on some portobellos. Nom nom. Eventually we'll take these pieces of steel out and smooth it all down so they can set the tortilla griddle right there on top of the cob. But this is helping it dry. The exhaust is warming these fairly evenly, and then coming out the side here, even though the cob's wet, we don't have any smoke, which is nice, and there's not much heat left to come out and dissipate over there. In the meantime, we've got our form set up here. This will be the size of our oven when we're done. We've got a fire going inside to help dry it, and we're bringing the cob up around inside the form. It'll come up to that line there on the metal stud that holds the galvanized metal roof on, that will wrap around, give us a little airspace to let any evaporation come out. So this is definitely coming along. We got to keep going. More to come later.